difference, okay, the time frame. So for scalping trade, um, when we place a scalping trade, we stay with the market until the market play out, okay. But for intraday trades comes with take profit and stop losses, okay. So you don't have to stay with the market. It's a set and forget thing. All right, you set your take profit, you set your stop loss, and then you forget about the market. So you can just, maybe go check your trade once in a while, maybe once in an hour, to see how your trade is going, okay. So if you found on this live stream, you'll be qualified to join the premium group. And aside signals, I also post market analysis and market reports. Okay. And if there's a news event that is about to happen, okay, like tomorrow now, we have the non-farm payroll happening tomorrow. So I'm going to update my premium members, tell them on how to go about it, and even tell them the time we are going to be having this live session to trade it. Okay. So if you are in my premium group, these are the benefits you get to enjoy. All right. And to join the premium group, what you have to do is click on that banner where deposit with benefit is written on. Now, if you click on the banner, it will take you to the deposit page. Once you get to the deposit page, if you fund your account with $10 will get you into the premium group for 2 weeks. If you fund up to $15 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And if you fund up to $200 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And then you also enjoy a live session with me, okay? A live trading session. On the session, I can teach you how, to go from beginner to advanced level, all right? I can share with you my trading strategy, my scalping strategy, and, stuff like that. So just fund your account, and again, whatever you fund on my live stream is going into your trading wallet, okay. So you get to open trade with your money. It's your normal funding, just the normal way you make deposit into your account, okay. But if you do it here, you'll be qualified to join my premium group. All right. So technically, you are all the benefits you get to enjoy are free. All right. Okay, so let's dive into the market. Let's see what's going on. And we are currently on XAU USD. This is the gold market, right? This is the gold market. So the gold market has been selling for few hours now. You see, this is the 1 hour time frame, and every candle here will take an hour to finish printing. Okay, so let's start from this where the market started printing bearish candles. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is the ninth hour. All right. So by the end of this candle, um, it's going to be 9 hours on XAU, 9 hour sell on XAU USD. Okay, that's a very good opportunity on the lower time frame. You see, it's a very good opportunity on the lower time frame. But unfortunately, we didn't catch this move. Okay, so it's best to just leave this and look for better opportunities. Let me delete all the previous analysis. Let me make a fresh one. Let's see if we can ride along with uh, the sell trend. All right. So on the 2 hour time frame, as you can see, after the break of structure, the market will always come back down to make a retest. Okay, as You see, it's making requests from fair value gaps. All right. So the next fair value gap here is this. Okay. This is the fair value gap before the break of structure here. All right. So this is where I expect the market to come down to before it continues its bullish movement. All right. So my entry would be here. This would be my entry. This would be my stop loss. See? So you see, look at my analysis. Easy and simple, right? So to learn this, all you need to do is fund your account on this live stream. Okay. All right. Yeah, can chat that. Okay, guys, let's continue with our analysis. So this is our entry point for XAUUSD. All right. Okay, let's make a fresh analysis from BtcUSDT. All right. So you see, we have areas where the market had moved from previously. Okay, so let's drop down to the lower time frame. All right. So if you look at this closely, this is the 4-hour time frame though. So if you look at this, you see this is what the market has done previously. Okay, let me quickly do this and then make explanations. All right. Okay. So and then the market came back up to this area to make a retest. right? See, so the market came back to this zone. Okay. See, so when the market got into this zone, see the market started moving to the downside. And before the market started the bearish move, another thing happened here. Okay, another liquidity was taken out here. So this is the leg that's created the liquidity. Yeah, right. So let's bring that out. And then what happened? See, the market came back. All right, and then that was how we got this first retest and second retest. Okay, so now since the market is pushing down, you see where we took our analysis from. Okay, so the market created liquidity, change of character, market came back to retest um, the previous high, right? So after the retest now, this market is falling down, right? It's going to the bearish direction, which is the downtrend, right? And then we've got this retest and the second retest here. So what this means is the market is going to continue to go down, right? The market is going to continue to go down. And now the market will be looking for another retest. Okay, the market will be looking to make another retest. So the possible area for the retest is the 50% of this fair value gap. Okay, how do I know this? Because this is the fair value gap after the market came down to this level, right? So we've got one here, but look how the market was retested before even making the obvious move. See, see, this was retested before the market made this obvious move. Okay, so after this move, there hasn't been any retest. So this is what I'm expecting the market to do. I'm expecting the market to come up to this level, okay, the 50%, and then continue to trend to the downside. Yeah. So this is my entry. This would be my stop loss, and this low will be my take profit level. See, I'm not going too far. This is 2.5 risk RR, risk to reward ratio. All right. So if I'm risking one here, I'm looking to make 2.5, right? So that's just a simple explanation. Okay, so let's go to the lower time frame. Let's see if we can get an opportunity to buy this market, since we already know that it's going towards the fair value gap we have above. Yeah. Okay, so here we have a change of character. This is the 15 minutes time frame though. So we have a change of character, and from this point to this point, you see there's no fair value gap. So this is where we have our fair value gap, and that is going to be our point of interest. So now, when this market comes to this level, okay, if the market comes back to this level, we are placing a buy trade, right? We are placing a buy trade. So this is our entry, 50%, right? The high will be our take profit, and this retest zone will be our stop loss level. Okay, this will be our stop loss. All right, so a lot of you still get confused over where to set take profit and stop loss. You see, it's very easy. Okay, so if you want to set your take profit, you want to look at the market, okay, the current market. So what you want to look out for is the highs and the low, right? You know, we have highs, we have lows in the market. How do we know our high? This is a high, right? And since this high was created, you see, no any other high has been created after this. So this is the high and this is the low. This is the low because the market hasn't gone below this level. Okay, so until the market goes below this level, this is the current low. Okay, and this is the current high. So you can decide to set your stop loss to this low and your take profit to this high. Yeah, that works. Okay, but in order to have a better risk management, look for areas where the market has made retest. Okay, so take for example, look at this right now. You see market made retest here. How did the market made retest here? Let me zoom that out so we can see that better. Yeah, so you see this market was printing bullish candles, okay, the green candles, which are the bullish candles. And when they got to this point, this is where the market closed, because when the market is bullish, it opens below and closes above. Okay, when market is bearish, it opens above and then closes below. Yeah. So this market was bullish and then it closes. Since the previous candle was also bullish, the market is going to open below from here. Okay, and then it ended its movement here, which is where the green candle ended. Yeah. So now, right. All right. So, you see, but instead of the market to continue creating bullish candle from this area, the market printed a bearish candle. Okay, coming back down to where we had a previous bearish candle. Okay, so now when the market came back to the zone, what happened? You see, it made a retest. It made a retest before creating this large bullish candle. Okay, so this is a valid retest here. All right, this is a valid retest. So this is a valid retest, and that is how we got this massive bullish candle. Yeah. All right. So now that we know that the market retested this zone, what we want to do is there's a high and a low here. Okay, they are called the internal structures. All right. So I want to set my stop loss around the previous retest, which is this. You see. So now I'm able to get a better risk to reward ratio. Yeah. And my stop loss is not as long as it used to be. So guys, this is basically how to set your take profit and your stop loss. Okay. So if you want to learn more about this, just fund your account. Fund your account. Click on the banner where deposit with benefit is written on. Fund your account with at least $200. All right. So that way, you get to have a one-on-one session with me. All right. All right. So let's make analysis from another document. Yeah. Just excuse me for a bit. Okay. Let's continue. Yeah. All right, so that's the analysis for BTC USDT. All right, so when the market comes down to this level, I want to see a price rejection. Okay, I want to see a candlestick rejection. Any candlestick pattern will do actually, not just the candlestick rejection. Okay, but I want to see a confirmation that the market will continue to go bullish. All right. So once I get the confirmation, hopefully we are still live, and then I'll give out the signal. All right. So for now, let's move to the next instrument. Okay. So let's see what's going on Ethereum USDT. So let's see if we would get the same analysis. All right. Let's see if we would get the same analysis. All right. All right, so you see we have the same situation here. The market is going bearish. Okay, so you see we have this high, we have this low. Okay, and the market hasn't gone above the high, neither hasn't gone below this low. So these are our point of interest. We have this low as our number one point of interest. And then we have the high as our other point of interest. Okay, so now let's analyze the current market. Let's analyze the current market. So you see, after this high was created, after this low was created, the market came up to this level, right? Giving us another high. Okay, but this is not a valid high. It's not a valid high because when this high was created, the market was supposed to give us another low, okay, to validate this high. But instead, the market just made something that looks like retesting to continue for downtrend. Okay, so the market made what looks like retesting to continue down movement. All right, so and then we got this, the market went down below. Okay, and then what happened next? The market came back all the way up to break the high. So when the high got broken, we had this. Okay, we had liquidity taken out. And then right now we have this. Okay, change of character. So what I'm expecting the market to do here is, okay, let's go down to the lower time frame. What I'm expecting the market to do here is very simple. So I'll just look for the internal break of structures. Okay, I'll just look for internal break of structures. So here we have our first break of structure. And you see how the market went back into the zone, made a retest, and then shoot down. Okay, so from here to here, we have the second break of structure. The market came back into the zone, shoot down again, right? So right now we have the next one, which is from this zone to this zone. So see how the movement, you see, it looks like our analysis on BTC USDT, yeah? So this 50% is where I want to take my sell trade from. All right. So right now, the market is going to buy to this level. All right. So this will be my first take profit, my second take profit. Okay. All right. So let's go to the lower time frame. Let's see if we can get an opportunity to buy. So the reason why we have liquidity here is, as you can see from here to this point, we had a bullish move. Okay, we had a bullish move, and when the market got to this point, what happened? You see, it broke to the downside instead of giving us another high. Yeah, so that is how we got this. now have a change of character, and we are expecting the market to continue bullish, right? So areas we have where the market hasn't made retest from is this low, but I doubt the market will come this far. Okay, so let's just look for um, closer ones. All right, so we have another one here, but as you can see, it's already mitigated. Yeah, it's already mitigated. Then we have a tiny one here. Right. So these are the zones we have here. So whichever one happened first, we take our buy entry. Okay. This is the 15 minutes time frame. All right. So we have an analysis here. Let's proceed. Okay, we are currently on BNB USDT. All right. So for this, we have the market uh, moving from this fair value gap. Okay, and currently it's approaching this level where we have another block. Okay. All right. So let's see what happens from this zone. Okay, so going down to the 1 hour time frame. All right. So on the 1 hour time frame, this is our entry point, and we have our stop loss here and our take profit here. Okay. So this is my first take profit. All right. So you see the market is close to my entry point. I just need this to get to this area, and then once I get a rejection candle or any other candle pattern formation, I'm going to take my sell trade. All right, and you see it aligns well with the 30 minutes time frame too. On the 30 minute time frame, um, So what we have on the 1 hour time frame is another block. Okay, we have another block on the 1 hour time frame, but on the 30 minutes time frame, you see is a fair value gap. Okay, it shows we have a fair value gap on the 30 minutes time frame. Okay, so if I'm to rate this analysis, um, so on a scale of, let's say, 1 to 10, if I'm going to give it a winning rate, I'll say this is about 8, right? So let's see what happens when the market gets into this other block zone. All right. So we have 12 minutes to the end of this current candle. So by the end of the candle, if we get a rejection, we are going to place our sell trade. And as you can see from here, the bullish candle is showing signs of exhaustion. Okay, the bullish candle is getting exhausted. So that is why you see is printing tiny candles and having bearish candles in between. Okay. All right. So let's continue. So we have analysis on XAU USD. We have on BTC USDT, Ethereum, and BNB USDT. Okay. And we couldn't get an opportunity. All right. So let's move to the Forex instruments. Okay, and we are currently on USD CAD. So let's see what's going on with the USD CAD pair. So from here to here, we have another block, and we have a fair value gap above it. Okay. So this is going to be a good entry point. And then to complement what we have here, you see we also have a fair value gap above, and I think the market is going to come back. It's going to go back to this fair value gap before it continues its downtrend movement. Okay. So when the market gets to this fair value gap, I'm expecting the market to make a reversal, something like this, and then start to buy. Okay, to this level, this level. Right. Okay, guys. I think we should have I think we can set a pending order for this trade. Okay, so this looks good. Let's set a pending order. All right. So for USDCAD, this is our entry price, our take profit, and our stop loss. Right. So if you don't know how to set a pending order, just go to your market. Okay. Go to markets. Search for USDCAD. All right. And then click on buy. So when you click on buy, you see we have position, we have pending order. So click on pending order. When you click on buy, um, the screen that's going to pop up has position, right? So click on pending order next to the position. So when you click on pending order, you see you have where you can set your volume, and if you have a balance below $20, I would suggest you stick to 0.01. All right. And then you see where it says enterprise, enter this. Okay, enter these figures. Right. And then you see where it says SL/TP. Yeah, click on the button in front of it. So it's going to expand and bring out area where you can set your stop loss and your take profit. So for SL, which is the first one, enter this. This is the stop loss. Okay. SL means stop loss. So set your stop loss 1.34565. And then for TP, enter the take profit. So 1.35349. Right? And then click on buy. So you see it says pending order valid successfully. So you can click on check order to see your pending order. All right. So we have a pending order on USDCAD. Okay. So let's check another forex pair. Okay, I think we had an analysis think BNB USDT. Yeah, it was about to trigger our entry. All right, so the market is currently on um, our point of interest level. Yeah, and we have less than 4 minutes to the end of this current candle. All right, so let's stay on this chart. Let's see what happens after the close of this current candle. Let's see if this candle is going to respect this zone and reject the zone. Okay, so once this zone gets rejected, we are going to set a sell order for this trade. Okay, and we're going to be using the take profit and the stop loss. Right, 2 minutes and a few more seconds to the end of this current candle. So aside the other block, which is the resistance, we also have the bullish exhaustion. Okay, so you see, so starting from here, you see the market is barely printing the bullish candles. Okay, so we have the bearish candle in between the bullish candles. So we call this bullish exhaustion. Okay, which means the bullish trend is coming to an end. So let's see if this current candle will confirm that for us. And once we have a rejection here, we are going to place a sell trade immediately. All right. Okay, we have a minute and a few more seconds. Okay, a few more seconds to the end of this candle. All right. So the candle closed, but we don't have the um, rejection we hoped for. Okay. So maybe the next candle will give us the rejection, but our time is up. Okay. So make sure you stay on this chart. Make sure to look out for the rejection. And once you get the rejection, take your sell trade. All right. So guys, that will be all for today. Uh, so enjoy the rest of your day and bye for now.